So today we're going to show you a Roof Maxx treatment from start to finish, the entire process, everything from the equipment that we use, the maintenance that we perform on the roof prior to the treatment, and then of course the treatment itself. So let's get started. The first step in our process is getting up on the roof and removing any debris. The next step in our process is our roof maintenance tune-up package, and we're focusing on the most leak-prone areas of the roof, like around a chimney or a skylight. We're also looking for any shingles that might be loose or cracked, as well as nail pops that are backing up out of the wood decking, and just a general once-over to make sure that the roof is nice and watertight. The final step in our process, of course, is the Roof Maxx treatment. As we apply the product, it starts to penetrate down into the shingles within about 30 minutes and starts to do its job, which is softening that asphalt, bringing it back to malleable and increasing its flexibility, its strength, and its waterproofing protection. While they're spraying, you can rest assured that the treatment is 100% safe for people, pets, property, and the environment because it's a bio-based treatment. Roof Maxx's proprietary formulation takes up to 3 days to completely restore flexibility of the shingle. Along the way, you'll notice that we do everything to protect the home, so there's really no impact. Protecting the gutters, moving any lawn furniture, and just to make sure that nothing gets damaged. And when we're done with the treatment, we get down and we make sure that everything is nice and clean, anything sprayed down, any overspray, easily rinsed off with a garden hose. The only way you'll know that we're there is that your roof's gonna look great. And as you can see, the Roof Maxx process is quick, clean, easy, and safe. It strengthens your roof and it protects your property.